In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a campaign on Google Ads. This skill is immensely useful, especially if you're looking to replicate a successful campaign without going through the hassle of setting up everything from scratch. By the end of this guide, you'll be well versed in efficiently managing your advertising campaigns, saving you both time and resources. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads overview page. For those who may be new to Google Ads, this is essentially your dashboard, where you can access all the important features and see a snapshot of how your campaigns are performing. Find your way to this page by logging into your Google Ads account. Once you're on the overview page, the next step is to click on the campaigns section. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of all your campaigns. Take a moment here to browse through your campaigns. You might stumble upon some insightful data or performance metrics you hadn't noticed before. After reviewing your campaigns, it's time to take action. You'll click on the Campaigns tab again. This might seem repetitive, but it's an integral step in ensuring you're in the correct section to proceed with duplication. Google Ads is filled with numerous tools and settings, so double checking where you are helps prevent any unnecessary mistakes. Now that you're positioned correctly, it's time to select the campaign you wish to duplicate. When you've found the right one, look for an edit button. Clicking this will bring up a variety of options. But for our purpose today, we're focused solely on duplication. Upon clicking edit, look for and select the copy option. This might seem like a small step, but it's a powerful feature within Google Ads. By copying your campaign, you're creating an exact replica of its settings, keywords, bids, and advertisements. You're essentially cloning the campaign, ready to be pasted anew. Next, you'll need to click on Paste. This action tells Google Ads that you're ready to create a new campaign using the copied information. Think of it as pasting a document you've copied. It's straightforward, yet incredibly effective. Upon pasting, you'll have a brand new campaign that mirrors the original. At this stage, take a moment to review the duplicated campaign. Even though it's an exact replica, you might want to make some adjustments or optimizations based on the performance of the original. This step is crucial for ensuring the success of your new campaign. Making slight adjustments can significantly impact its effectiveness and efficiency. A pro tip: when duplicating campaigns, always remember to rename the new campaign. This helps in organizing your campaigns and avoids any confusion in the future. A clear naming convention can save you a lot of time and headaches, especially as your list of campaigns grows. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a campaign on Google Ads. This process not only saves you time, but also allows you to leverage the success of your existing campaigns. Remember, the digital advertising landscape is ever evolving, and mastering tools like duplication can give you a competitive edge. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, understanding how to efficiently manage and duplicate your campaigns can make a significant difference in your advertising efforts. Remember, the key to success in digital advertising lies in continuous learning and optimization. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you feel more confident in navigating Google Ads and duplicating campaigns. As always, keep experimenting, analyzing your campaign's performance and adjusting accordingly. Happy advertising and see you in the next tutorial.